Hi children, welcome to the second session of Mandala art. Hope you have tried a simple design. Now I'll be showing you a little better design which you will enjoy. Today we are going to learn a floral design of mandala art. Okay, for the center we will need a circle. You can use a small round like this, make a circle. These are simple designs. Later when you do complicated ones, you have to use your compass and then you can make a circle, just round, just for a round. And then now from here we will mark a point. We'll see how many petals we can do. 3, 4 and 5. We'll do 5 petals. Just mark round, don't make it dark, but don't forget, while doing you have to chant the prayer. Small leaf like this, petal, a petal like this, like this, like this, like this, and like this. So the first level is ready. Then we will do the second level. As you are doing, oh God, give me clean hands. Don't forget that. Prayer. You have to do the prayer. While how many times you are doing? Say the prayer so many times. So between these two there is a V. So this V you have to draw another petal like this, just like this. So, and then again, if you want to extend it a little, make it like this, a bigger one, like this. And then like this. Now like this. Okay. Now maybe here, and then this has to be like a circle. This can be joined like this into these two petals can be joined like this. You should have a form, a connection. See, you can see like a big bud. There is a bud between these two. Then and then from here to here. Make it into a bud, and then from here 5 sides. You can even adjust it later when you are doing the outline. Now let us color this part. Using a brush pen or a sketch pen, anything, you can do it. Now once this is done, then you can go to the next box. This box also can be filled. Be careful when you are doing the outline. Whatever pens you have, you can use for this, but be clear with what you want. And then our thing is the prayer. Don't forget, that's the reason I'm repeating so many times. Swadharma Sarvodaya, universal and self goodness, welfare. Now, because of this darkness, you can see the flower nicely. Now I am giving off the outlines. Just observe. First try these simple techniques, and then you can go to complicated designs, whatever you want. For each month, take one speciality, and then you can make your drawing so that it is related to that month. So now we will just draw some lines. You can take a thinner pen. With this pen can be used, and then like this, and then somewhere like this here, just highlight it. You can just highlight, and here you can make lines. This is how you fill it. As you are filling, you have to keep on chanting the prayer. And this big petals, I'm just going to put dots. It's your interest. Whatever design you want to do, you can do it. But I'm thinking of lines and dots and some circles. We will see where we can use circles also, or squares. Maybe we can use a little small design here like this. Yes, you can see the variation. Yes, just some waves. I'm using waves here. So all different types of designs I have used. So you can also use whatever design you want. So this is this design which is completed. As you start doing this, once you are perfect, then you can take measurements of with a circular or a scale and then draw circles, and then you can do wonderful paintings. Mandala art is mainly for concentration. If your mind is having good concentration, then you will be healthy. Hope you have enjoyed this activity. So you can see the variation of this. We just took one circle and then we drew, and such a beautiful flower has come. So now after this you will be having after this session you will have a 10 days break. So I'll tell you what to do during your break time, holidays, Dashera break. So you can make for January, February, like that you have to make for 12 months, and 1 month before, like suppose it is December, the calendar will start 1 month before. That means the 2020 December. So that 1 month you'll have to add, and then 22 January also you have to add. So you have to make 14 small pieces of drawings. You can make small ones or you can even make big ones also. You can see this small drawing also you can make. You can also make big ones, small ones, whatever it is your choice. Draw like this. Small ones also you can make and keep. So you will be needing 14. So every day if you make one drawing and keep, after your holidays when you come back in the next session, we will be making this calendar for 2022. Okay, hope you will enjoy 21 and 22. So hope you will enjoy this mandala art calendar. Do the work interestingly so that it will come out nicely.